And we are now getting that replay.
Yes, we are receiving the video. Why doesn't it work through the USB port? Like we don't know yet, but we'll try to figure it out with our US colleagues. We have not really tried that in the past, so I won't be able to give you a definitive answer right now. Okay, that's fine. But we are transmitting it. Yes, we're receiving it. Everything is good.
Again, you're seeing a replay of the final farewells between the crew, Padalka in the lighter blue shirt, Andy Mogensen of the European Space Agency, Aidyn Aimbetov, the Kazakh cosmonaut, and of course a group photo there with Scott Kelly, Mikhail Kornienko, Sergei Volkov, Kimya Yui, Oleg Kononenko on the left, and Kjell Lindgren just out of the field of view at the moment. The crew posing for a final 9-crew portrait after 8 days together on board the International Space Station. Padalka, Mogensen, and Aimbetov gearing up for their high-speed entry back into the Earth's atmosphere later today, and a landing on the steppe of Kazakhstan at 7:51 p.m. Central Time tonight. Gennady Padalka there in the foreground, saying farewell to Scott Kelly and Mikhail Kornienko, who he ferried up to orbit back on March 28th on the TMA-16M to begin for them their 1 year in space. Padalka, the world's most experienced space traveler, wrapping up his 5th space flight today in a total of 879 days in space. As the departing crew moves through the hatchway into the Soyuz spacecraft, you're looking at the aft end of the Zvezda service module, the mainstay of the Russian segment of the International Space Station, which was launched in July of 2000 atop a Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. NASA astronaut Kjell Lindgren documenting the activities, looking on Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Kimya Yui, Lindgren, Yui, and Oleg Kononenko, who was right there at the hatchway. They arrived on board in July. They will be departing the space station in their own right on December 22nd for a pre-Christmas landing on the steppe of Kazakhstan in their own Soyuz spacecraft.
You can leave them there. That's fine. Quality is good. Yeah, our backs are looking good. Good quality. Could you ask Sergey to call us? Okay, I'm going to ask him to grab the microphone. Go ahead. Yes, move Benpa to MRM2 and place wherever you deem more convenient. Copy all, thank you.
And there you see the closing of the hatch between the Zvezda service module and the Soyuz TMA-16M. This replay of the activities that occurred about 45 minutes ago, with the closing of the hatch marked at 1:17 p.m. Central Time, 2:17 p.m. Eastern Time. Since then, the Soyuz has been placed on autonomous power by Gennady Padalka, the Soyuz commander, as he, Andreas Mogensen of the European Space Agency, and Aidyn Aimbetov of the Kazakh Space Agency, known as Kazcosmos, are preparing their Soyuz vehicle for its undocking, which is scheduled 2 hours and 29 minutes from now. Oleg Kononenko, the Russian cosmonaut flight engineer, who arrived on board the International Space Station as part of Expedition 44 and is continuing on as part of Expedition 45 with the final closure of the station side of the hatch. Hatch is closed at 1:17 p.m. Central Time. The crew involved in leak checks and other systems checks. And there you see the replay having been completed of the final farewells between the crew members and the closing of the hatches.